Good morning, class. Myself, Umesh R. Rathod, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering from Vallabh Polytechnic, Navsari. In today's lecture, we will learn about forging defects of the subject Manufacturing Engineering 1, subject code 3331901 from Mechanical Engineering Department. Let's start with forging defect. Forging defect may be classified as pitting, tie shift, fin and drag, cracks, oxidation and decarbonization, burnt and overheating, ruptured fiber structure, incorrect size of forging, tears, and incomplete forging products. Let's have a brief discussion on it. Pitting. As shown in figure, a layer of upper surface in small amount will appear on the surface after the forging. Such type of defect known as pitting. Scale pits are due to improper cleaning of forge surface. So before or after the forging process, if we not cleaning, such type of defect produced in the product. The defect generally associated with forging in open environment. Such type of defect most occur in open environment. It is an irregular deposition on the surface, as we discussed in our session. It can be removed by proper cleaning of forged surface. The next defect is die shift. Here we see interior misalignment in the product. Die shift is caused by misalignment of upper die and lower die. When the both dies are not properly aligned, the forged product does not get proper dimension. So it is a defect of misalignment of the dies. This defect can be removed by proper alignment. It can be done by provide half notch or in upper die and half on lower die, so that at time of alignment both these knots will match. Or in other words, we have to clamp it to both dies for proper alignment. Fin and drag, or in other words, it's said to be as a scratch. A small projection on the surface of ornament is called a fin. This defect can be overcome with proper die design and workmanship. Cracks. We all know about cracks. This is a thin crack of the surface of forged jewelry. These defects are caused by poor quality material, not heating the stock of the material to the right temperature, and improper cleaning. If we use poor quality material, not heat properly or not cool properly, this type of defect will be produced. Oxidation and decarbonization. It's a layer of a carbon content or oxidation on the surface, known as oxidation and decarbonization. Main reason for this phenomena is that oxidation at high temperature corrodes the surface of forging because it reacts with the moisture in the environment, resulting the gear surface to be rough. So after oxidation, there will be a rough surface on every element. When the coating material is applied on the steel or any product, after the hot forging, it can not only enhance the dimension accuracy but also improve the surface quality. So after the process, we have to coated the material to avoid this type of defect. Burnt and overheating. As shown in figure, there will be a black burnout on the forging products. Overheating is referred to the heating temperature of metal billet is too high. So when we apply the metal temperature more than the required, this type of defect is occurred. For a too long time, heat treatment, temperature range, or coarse grain phenomena due to high temperature. So these are the effects of the burnt and overheating. Ruptured fiber structure. As we shown in figure, such defects are caused by improper die design and insufficient stock of material. Incorrect size of forging. If we not select proper size of forging, die or a product this type of defect is produced. This type of defect caused due to mismatch of die, as we discussed, incorrect die or one out part of the die. This can be reduced by or repaired by proper maintenance and proper die selection and maintained and alignment. Years. When a crack producing in an element in a small amount, it will be said to be as a tears. This defect is caused by the forging process on a metal with insufficient temperature. This happens because the metal is weak when it is hot and residual stress in the material can cause. Proper die design, proper temperature and proper killing prevent this type of defect. Incomplete forging products. These defects caused by low blank metal, insufficient metal temperature, improper alignment, or the inadequate blows or workmanship. Thank you, student. Thanks for listening me carefully.